Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Nice car.
Thank you. In 2025, women can drive nice cars.
This is your car? What are you doing in this neighborhood?
Yes, officer. It is my car. I live here.
Are there any firearms, illegal contraband, or drugs in this vehicle?
That would be a no.
You hesitated. You sure about that?
I am very sure. I don't understand why you would think I have contraband. What about me or my car? My car suggests that.
I pulled you over because you were driving suspiciously. The speed limit is 35 and you were doing 30.
I slowed down to maybe make a turn.
Suspicious. License and registration, please.
Okay, here's my license and my registration.
This vehicle is registered to you.
Did I not just hand you those documents?
Here is your license, your registration, and your citation. Reckless driving, endangering others.
A citation? For going too slow? I endangered people by going too slow?
Ma'am, you have a broken tail light. That's another citation.
After you broke it, are you kidding me?
Intentional property damage is a misdemeanor. Want me to read you the statute? Why are you wearing a robe?
Surprise.
Are you a judge?
I am a judge, and I am on my way to work right now. I have sentenced men with far better discipline than you. You will be standing when I walk into that courtroom.
Why didn't you just tell me you were a judge?
I didn't have to tell you anything. You treat every citizen with respect, judge or not.
Ma'am, we'll settle this with a warning. Please get your tail light fixed and drive safely.